Set on over 3 acres in South Burlington, this modern 5-bedroom home captures sweeping views of Lake Champlain and the Adirondacks. Expansive grounds lead to a heated pool and outdoor living spaces, while the home's sleek design makes a striking first impression. Inside, walls of glass and skylights fill the open floor plan with natural light, framing views of the lake and sunsets year-round. The chef's kitchen features Miele appliances, white quartzite counters, and 2 parallel islands, designed for both function and entertaining. An airy dining area flows seamlessly into the living spaces, ideal for gatherings large and small. Two primary suites, one on each floor, offer spa-like baths with custom vanities, soaking tubs, and tiled showers, along with generous walk-in closets. Step outside to a fenced backyard, pool, and lighted tennis court, plus an indoor racquetball court for year-round recreation. All this just minutes from downtown Burlington, UVM Medical Center, the airport, and the bike path. A rare combination of space, design, and location. Hollywood Hills style right here in Vermont.